So what is a holistic drug treatment center? A lot of people now have become searchers. They're looking for something more in their healing and recovery. Traditional non-12-step treatment centers, traditional non-12-step programs have fallen short. A lot of people are feeling like they're caught in the relapse cycle, and they've broadened the search for what can I do to feel better. And in doing that, the word holistic has come up. It's kind of the new buzzword. And you go on a search and you'll find a lot of centers talking about that they're holistic in approach, they're holistic in non-12-step. But what does that mean exactly? We've been doing this holistic addiction treatment now for 20 years. We're the pioneers in this area. And so we are very clear what holistic is and what holistic is not. And the one thing I want to be very clear about is holistic does not mean that we don't look at the full integrative model, meaning we don't not look at Western medicine or if we need medication protocols. That's vital for certain treatments. However, that is just a very small piece of the puzzle. We have to look at the entire system. It's very much a functional medicine approach, which is why we have a functional medicine psychiatrist, a functional medicine doctor. And in functional medicine, very much it's clear that our gut health plays an entirely strong, has a big, strong effect on our mental health. So therefore, if we have leaky gut, if we have an inflammatory diet, if we're not eating real food, it is going to greatly impact our ability to heal and recover. And our brains we know can recover. Neuroplasticity tells us this, but we have to support this process, which is why it's very important that you have a strong supplement protocol. Now, holistic is also, you hear this a lot, and a lot of people are saying they're holistic because they've added in yoga or meditation. And that's wonderful that they're adding these different modalities. But just adding holistic type of alternative modalities to an already established, ingrained program is not integrative or holistic. It's just adding a few different things to the mix. So our yoga, our body work, our meditation, our food, our energy work, our breath work is literally tightly integrated and woven in to support our entire epigenetic process of literally healing our body, repairing our brain, and recovering our soul. So our entire process, we take you around a journey in which you really get to go into an exploration of what your disempowering beliefs are, your underlying trauma, your root causes. And in order to heal that, we can't just be in some talk therapy or cognitive behavioral therapy. We need to get into the body and do somatic work. We need to work, as I said, on the diets, what you're eating, what you're putting into your body. We need to work with the biofeedback system, the heart-brain coherence. We're going to be needing to be looking at biophysiological markers through our biometric oral ring that we give you to really allow you to see what your sleep patterns are and your fatigue patterns are. We're going to need to also allow you to really be working with your energy body and getting into the emotional body. There's not one part of our being that does not need to be addressed and tended to in a very integrated approach so that our healing becomes a very dynamic, organic, but very solid process. So people don't just leave here having an experience, they leave here changed. That is truly the holistic model.